Holly, she's basically in this recording saying it's not a lie, that she's the one who made that call. I mean, that seems to be important. So if we can establish that she made that call to Domino's, again, we had a manager who said that there was a female voice on the other line. We have the testimony of GC who said she saw Erica Stefanko making that call. If we can say that, making a call to Domino's to, seemingly lure Ashley Biggs away, is that enough for murder?
Yes. I mean, if we looked at the beginning of this broadcast, and we listened to the prosecution's closing argument, they even put it on a PowerPoint so the jurors could read it. If you encourage, if you entice, if you assist, if you abet, um, unless Erica Stefanko ate that pizza that she ordered from Domino's, which she did not, the pizza was undelivered because the pizza delivery person was murdered as part of the plan. That is exactly the crime. And did you hear Erica laugh in the recording? Did you listen to her giggle? She's absolutely in an agitated, amped up, excitable state talking about it. And one other point that's very critical to make here, Jesse. Remember earlier when the defense in closing said, oh, it was Cindy Cobb who made that phone call. If that were true, we know that Erica had no idea she was being recorded in that Cindy Cobb recording. If that point were true by defense counsel, then we would have an entirely different recording. We would have Erica saying, well, Cindy, Chad told me that you made that call. And Cindy would probably not want to record herself being a part of this crime. And here's why I think Cindy Cobb did this, guys. I listened to her very carefully in the tape. Cindy mentioned in response to the state's question, she made this recording when Chad told her he wanted a divorce from Erica. When Chad, her baby, her son, tells mom, I want a divorce from Erica, well, then mom clicks play on the recording for a divorce proceeding. There's a custody dispute in a divorce proceeding. Custody is the underlying foundation of every single person's action from the underlying murder to today. Cindy Cobb recorded her soon-to-be ex-daughter-in-law because of a divorce proceeding that her son wanted. That's why the recording was there. I also think that they didn't know that that recording could be used for the criminal case. So both are true.
And that's echoing what the prosecution said, that at the time, Cindy Cobb maybe didn't hand over this tape because she didn't know about the law of complicity. She didn't know that if you're not the person who actually does the killing, that you could be brought up on the same charges and you could be charged with murder. So that's what the prosecution said. Maybe that's what the jury's going to believe. We're waiting to see what will ultimately happen today. Maybe we'll get a verdict. Seems like we might. Maybe not. Maybe it'll extend into more coming days. The court will have to figure that out. But when we come back, we're going to play more of